guys, a new mining site for BnB coin. The link will be in the description, also in the first comment of the video. Like you see, this is our website. The link will be in the first comment of the video. After registration, you will get this dashboard like that. You can scroll down and see here you can upgrade your level by replenishing the site by this amount to get more BnB. Every amount have working time. This one is for 21 days for 15 BSD, like you see. After registration, it's simple. We just, when you open your site, we go directly to account like that, and we press here, like see. I will deconnect now. You go to your account. After opening the link, you press connect wallet. You choose any wallet you want and then press select like that. Now it's connected. I have connected my wallet, like you see. Now we go to BnB, this one, this small one. We press in it. We get free BnB every 5 minutes. We just claim every 5 minutes free BnB. Like you see, we press here to claim our free BnB. And we choose, like see, it says ask for car. We press verify. I claim it. 21 BnB. Like you see. Like you see. This is our free BnB every 5 minutes. You can withdraw to any, the minimum is 0.005 BnB. You can withdraw instantly. This is our site today. The link will be in the first comment of the video. See you another mining video.